Hello everyone. Sustainable fashion begins from our wardrobe. Yeah, right. Today I'm going to talk about blue dogs and color changing rivers, the man made wonders in India. How is it related? Okay, I'm Purabi Purnasa Mishra. We have a tendency to avoid strangers, but I believe there is something always there to learn from strange things happening around us. Like the garment industry has created wonders which has attracted the world audience. How? Yeah, this is how. Blue dogs in Mumbai. This is no legendary dog that you are thinking of. This is basically the dogs turned blue after swimming and drinking in Kasadi River runoffs, which is situated basically near the dyeing industries. Eventually, it changes colors from blue to white depending on the kind of effluents thrown into the river. Yeah, blue is the color of death in Delhi. This is basically with the Shiv Bihar colony, which is famous for dyeing jeans around it. There is a long story to it, but the thing is, this happened when this was banned also, that they were not supposed to dye the colors in Delhi. So they shifted little bit, three, four streets, and they reached Uttar Pradesh, and then it became a disorganized industry. So this happens in every area that we can think of. This is the Blue River in Rajasthan, Bande River. This is Holy Yamuna Foam River. This is no snow. This is all foam created by the effluents of industries. This is Brisavati River, which is already called Industrial River of Karnataka. So it's totally unfit. Brisavati River also changes color from black to yellow depending on where and how it flows. This is the Periyar River which is dying. There is actually no aquatic life in this river. Same Pamba River in Kerala. This is also suffering a lot due to the garment industry and dyeing industry. This is Mithi River, Maharashtra, which is already put into reconstruction, and there are a lot of debates going on. Noyal River, Tirupur. Tirupur is famous for hosiery material, Tamil Nadu. Everybody who is in this industry knows about Tirupur. Black rivers because of more colors in our wardrobe. Yes. Colors at what cost? Why should we wear white or no color? Because color has death element. People say treated effluents can be thrown into river. The Vappi industrial cluster has 1000 industries, which basically discharges its effluents to Maharashtra and Gujarat river Daman. Blue can affect a lot. There are a lot of readings that I have suggested. Water pollution, I don't say that it is because of only garment industry. There are a lot of sources to it, but the most important thing is it not only give human skin diseases, it affects agriculture, it affects underwater animals, and a lot of things. Polluted river means polluted water for us. It is also a problem for the aquatic life to sustain. The groundwater level also depletes. The agriculture, fertility and composition of chemicals in the soil increases, which eventually leads into the water cycle to human, to everything, and affects the ecosystem. So make your choice, as your purchase may pollute your life source. Today's tip is be responsible for your own growth. Talk to your co-workers monthly and keep tap to your community. Have a learning experience, maybe a course or something, and don't lie to yourself. Colors can be bad. Yeah.